Oh, did it? Okay, maybe you know what? Oh, how spicy is this beer?
What if she accidentally like eats it?
Oh.
Hello. So yesterday I went to home day and I didn't film. I should have filmed, but I don't know why I didn't. I just walked around by myself and it was a really nice day out. It was almost 70 degrees. It was really nice. I was wearing a dress and I changed my hoop back in. I originally took it out for work, but I really just don't care anymore because, yeah, so I should have filmed yesterday. I didn't, but I went to Kao Tteokbokki with friends and we got a bunch of stuff. And I did film that, but I didn't film the outside of the place. Also, we went to, there's a Chinese market right next door. So we went to there. I got some stuff. I just got some ramen and snacks. And then we went to Vegan, it's called, and we got a bunch of cake. So I also filmed that, so I can put that in. I have today off and actually the rest of the week off. I took some vacation days and I'm going to Kyoto tomorrow. The reason I went to Hongdae in the first place is because my camera wasn't working the way it should, I guess. Like you couldn't unzoom and I don't know, it was just being weird. But then, I don't know, it started to work again once I went there and I was just like, okay, awesome, I don't have to pay. Yeah, so that was the original reason I went to Hongdae. And also, like, we were gonna meet near there anyway. So, it was really nice. I haven't been there in a long time. Oh my. Yeah, I haven't been there in a long time. There's a lot of cool shopping. Like, I didn't buy anything. Oh, I went to Lush because I had those pots to hand in. So I handed in the pots and I got they either give you a free mask or you can give like 5,000 won off, like $5 off your purchase. So I just got like another cleanser because I don't really use masks. There was a cool girl there, we were talking. Yeah, now I'm just heading to Bai Tofu, which is like probably hands down my favorite restaurant in Seoul, and I never go because it's hard to get there for me, and also the hours are a little like they just don't work for my schedule. But since I have today off, meeting some friends there, really excited because I feel like I haven't been there in a year and I just love it. So yes, I'll show you later. Thanks for listening. See ya. I think actually the reason I didn't film yesterday is because like I was wearing a dress and I thought it was cute, and then when I was in the subway there was this lady who like saw me. I thought she saw me, and then her jaw literally, she goes like this, and like she was like, oh my god, and like looked at me like really disgustedly, and like even was following my like her gaze. And I also like, I was so shocked that she actually opened her mouth and did that I also was like looking at her like, what the fuck, like I don't know. And that just made me feel like I was gonna cry, and I don't know, I didn't feel good the rest of, well, like for a little while after that. So I tried to make like the best out of the day, but I totally forgot to film. So I could have gotten some nice, you know, content, whatever. But whatever, we live, we learn, and I didn't have to pay for my phone, so that was my good, like, karma, I guess, my good luck, I was so happy because like it would at least be $250 to fix the phone. And the guy was really nice at the store, and he was like honestly kind of flirting with me. He's like, oh, you came all the way to Seoul and like dressed pretty to like come out. I was like, yeah. But I still felt like, oh my god, like I don't know, I can put pictures of the dress. Like I tried to even like go to a little like you know, photo booth and take photos by myself just to make me feel better. But I had fun with my friends and stuff. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm probably like the worst angle and like not looking. But anyway, that was my little story. I'm really excited to go to Kyoto. I've never been, and I'm gonna record some good stuff hopefully. So see you guys back at Bai Tofu. Also, my phone camera is still effed, doesn't work, but I wanted to show you why it's such a pain in the butt to get to Bai Tofu. And like this is just one of the 2 ways that you can go, but it's also bad the other way. But I don't know. Anyway, can you see these stairs here? And then there's like a huge hill. So I mean, I think there's a little elevator here that goes up, but I'm not gonna wait. My exercise for the day. Well, I already went to yoga and the gym, but more steps. It's great. Seeing the elevator right now. It's so slow, you can't see. I'm gonna beat it. I don't even have to run. Everybody's watching and they're watching. Hi! There we are. This hill.
I just got oat because I like it.
I have this one with lotion.
I don't have an umbrella and it's raining. But I knew it was gonna rain and I didn't bring one anyway because I was too lazy, so it's my fault. Me and my friends went to a cafe after we got lunch or brunch or whatever, and they left and I did a little planning for Kyoto, and now I'm just heading back to the station. I'm gonna go home. I feel like I could use a nap, to be honest, but I gotta do a few chores and pack. Try not to slip and fall here. It's pretty precarious. Just hills upon hills. Yeah, but it felt really good not to work today and like be able to go out. I need to check the map, so I'm signing off. Spring's here. I don't understand how this is the right way. And how did this car get here? This is horrifyingly steep to me. It's just like, I don't know. I mean Crocs, by the way. I'm scared. It's so steep.